If you are wondering if you can enable or disable fast charging option on Nothing Phone 3a, then the answer is no. Usually the fast charging option is available in the battery settings, but if you go through the settings, then you will notice that there's actually no option that allows you to enable or disable fast charging. However, that doesn't mean that we cannot use fast charging. We still can, as long as you have, for example, the original Nothing charger, which unfortunately is not included inside the box, so you have to purchase it separately. But there is the power adapter made by Nothing that has 45 watts, which is almost the maximum amount that the phone can use in order to charge the phone. And the phone has 50 watts charging capability. And if you use for example, the original Nothing charger and the original cable that you have with the phone, you should be able to use the fast charging option. It is just built in within the phone, and there is no need to turn it on or off. It will be simply activated as long as there is enough power provided by the adapter. You may also try to get a charger that is made by other well-known brands, and as long as you have, for example, 50 watts or more, then the phone should be able to also use the fast charging power delivery. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!